What's going on, guys? Billy here with Billy Schultz Music, bringing you the easiest guitar tutorials on YouTube, and today we're learning how to play 6-18-18 by Billie Eilish. This song was a request by username GA, so big shouts! As always, if you're new here, click that subscribe button and the notification bell, that way you never miss a new tutorial because I will throat punch you. Also, I'm giving away a free brand new acoustic guitar along with a bunch of other guitar related prizes, so if you want some free stuff, stick around to the end of the video. I get into all the giveaway stuff there, but for now, let's jump into it. This is how you play it. Okay, guys, so this song is in standard tuning. You're going to capo up to the 5th fret to make this easier. You're using a few different chords. If you need the chord diagrams, you can find them in the free ebook that's in the description below. It's called Master the Guitar in 7 Days. It's 100% free. I give it away in all the videos. It's got all the major chord diagrams in there, so if you need those, jump into the description. Once you get done with the video, check it out. For now, we're going to start with an A minor. It's going to be 002210. You're going to go G major, 320003, D minor, 000321, and you're going F, 13321, and then I mute the high E string. Once you get the chords down, all you need to know is the chord progressions throughout the song. The chorus and the bridge are going to be the exact same thing. The only thing that's different is the verses. They're not too much different from each other. There's not really a strumming pattern in the song because there isn't an official release song and it's all piano. It's very, very slow. You can pick through it. You can single strum it. You're just going to kind of want to just listen to the song and kind of play it how you feel is necessary. I feel single strums are the best to go through it, but totally up to you, however you want to do it. So the verse chord progression is going to be A minor, G, D minor, F major, and then G. And that just repeats throughout the verses. Your chorus chord progression is going to be F, D minor, A minor, and then G. And that's going to repeat for the choruses, except at the end of the chorus, you will end on that F chord before you jump back into the A minor for the verses. So again, the song structure is going to be verse, chorus, bridge, chorus. Chorus and the bridge are the same chord progression. The verse is slightly different. I'll play one time through each of the chord progressions so you can see them. Let's jump into it. Here we go. So your verse is going to be it's a little quick switch there between the F and the G. So the verse again. Jump into the chorus. Start over. So you go to F, I kind of let that ring out, and then it jumps back into the verse. There you have it, guys. That's all there is to it. Keep practicing. You will have this song down in no time. Like I said at the beginning of the video, I'm giving away a free brand new acoustic guitar along with a bunch of other guitar related prizes and accessories. All you got to do to enter is subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, like this video, and then leave a comment down below with a song that you would like me to teach you on guitar. Now, the way it's going to work is each month I'm picking 2 winners. One is going to win a guitar accessories kit that comes with a capo, guitar strap, guitar picks, everything that you need as a beginner, intermediate, intermediate, or advanced player will be in that kit. The second place winner is going to win a free merch bundle from the channel, and then when the channel hits 50,000 subscribers, I'll be picking one of you guys to win that free brand new acoustic guitar. So again, all that you have to do to enter is subscribe to the channel, click the notification bell, leave a like on this video, and leave a comment down below with the song that you guys want me to teach you on guitar. Again, I can't thank you guys enough. Your support has been incredible, and I can't explain how much it really means to me, so thank you guys so much for all the support. I really enjoy helping you guys learn these songs that you want to play on the guitar. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, leave those in the comment section below. I will have the rules to the giveaway in the description below, along with the free ebook that will always still be there. It's called Master the Guitar in 7 Days. Always free, it'll always be in the description, along with any tabs that might be for the video. So again, if you need anything, have any questions, my personal email address is in the description below, or leave your questions in the comment section. We'll see you guys in the next video.